Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Hannah. Today I am actually on iMovie, where I actually edit my videos, and that is because I'm going to be doing a video on how how I edit my YouTube videos. So yeah, before we get started, make sure you guys big thumbs up and turn notification bell as well, so you can know when I post. Also, comment down below if you use iMovie or have ever used it to make a video or just to do something. But anyways, I have this clip from a video that I did just because it needs something to put on iMovie so I can show you how to edit it. But yeah, but pretty much the first thing you want to do, if let's say you're using a picture, I mean, it's not the first thing you have to do, but it's something that I like to use. As you can see, this picture is, well, you know, it's kind of like this. It's moving in a bit of a way, if you could tell. It's probably not the biggest difference, but the way that you could do it is that, well, this way now is actually like that. So you see it's not moving at all, but if I were to change it back, if I were to disable it, you can see that's kind of zooming in. So yeah, I mean, if you don't like having that, like if you wanted to stay still, you put it at Ken's button enable, so then it's just like things stay still. Another thing is, this goes for like a video clip or video or just a picture. It is like how to make it longer of that certain thing. So you could extend the video like that. And now you can see it's 10 seconds and 6 minutes, but also there's an undo button right over here, and now it's 7:06, so you can always, you know, add more and undo everything if you wanted to. You see, now it is long, it's about 10 seconds and like 6 milliseconds, but now it's 12 seconds, 0.7. So yeah, guys, so that is how you so far could make the picture stay still, undo, and also how to make the video longer. But the next thing is music. So let's say if you wanted to get music, well, that would be an audio, and you see it has my music, and then you would just like see what you have in your playlist or albums. You want to get something that is not copyrighted, by the way. So yeah, anything that's uncopyrighted. You also have some soundtracks which you could add there as well, but you definitely do want to make sure that it's not copyrighted, because if it's copyrighted, that means the video is copyrighted, and if you make money, you cannot make any money from that video. So yeah, you want to be really careful. But there's also some sound effects right over here, as you can see. I mean, it has some alarm, applause, bark, bell tower, bicycle, you know, all those sound effects. So yeah, that's how you add audio to your video. Also, if you wanted to do a voiceover, this is how you do it. You press record, and then you when you're done, you practically press done, and there's a 3-second timer. Let me actually show that for you really quickly. It says 3, 2, 1, and then, you know, if you press stop, then you could cancel, retake, review, and accept. If you press cancel, then you just stop recording. If you press retake, you do that again, and the timer for 3, 2, 1 goes right away, and then you start again. If you review, then you like review like what you said and everything, and then if you accept it, then you accept to keep that recording. But I'm gonna press cancel because we do not need a voiceover for this. But anyway, that is how you do a voiceover for a video, picture, or whatever you are doing. But then next, you also have the movements. It's like pictures that are kind of like moving or whatever. So I mean, that's that. If you want to add something, your videos are pretty much, you know, the videos that you have. I actually have like no videos right now because I kind of, you know, deleted them all, but it's like have storage. And then your favorites is what you favorite on your photo thing. And then of course there's more things over there. You also have your photos, albums, your backgrounds. You have your backgrounds, and you have like a background, like let's say if I wanted this blue one, I can go ahead and add that. I mean, and now practically it's just like a whole blue thing, but you can also delete that, guys, if you wanted how to do that. So you see this, if I wanted to delete that, right there, I just deleted it. But also, if I can undo it again, as you can see, I can also split. So that means I can add something in between. Let's say if I wanted to add that picture again, I could do that. Let me, I have to go on pictures. So if I wanted to add that picture again, I could go ahead and do that right in between that blue one and then that blue one again. So yeah, that's, if you were split, that's pretty much what you would do. And then duplicate it, that means you just like kind of duplicate it again. So yeah, and then you can delete that one if you don't want it. And then right over here, you might be wondering what this is. If you split something, it's kind of like the transition. So you see right there, it's like the normal one. It doesn't really do anything to it, kind of. But if you do side, let me show you that one. This one also is a little bit different. As you can see, it comes from the side, which is also pretty cool. And then you have, let's say, the fade. It kind of disappears, and then it shows the new ones. Those are some different ones that you could do. I mean, they're all pretty cool. I mean, if you want to see some more, then you have this one, and it just goes like that. I mean, there's a bunch of different ones, and of course you can change it back on how you want it. So yeah, that's that. And then, you know, probably want to do all of those things. And yeah, well, I'm gonna go ahead and delete those things. So now you just have the pictures. So yeah, that goes with that. And then if you want to speed, let me show you if you want to speed something. So you might want to be able to speed something. Maybe you're doing speed build and you don't want the video to be like 3 hours long. You only want it to be an hour. Well, you can speed that. I mean, it's possible. For that, you do well need a video for that. So let me just go ahead and just get a video that I have, so then I could, like, you know, speed that thing for you. So this is a video that I did on the last video if you want to check that out. But practically, let me go ahead and go all the way back, and I can speed it right over here. So you see this little timer clock thing right next to those scissors? Well, you're going to press that, and then you can also make it slower. Let me show you how it looks when you go slow. So that is all the way slow, or you can make it all the way fast, and then you see it could go quicker. So then if you're doing speed build, that is how you make the video go quicker. But then you can also have the normal one, which is just this one, and you know, it's like the one that has kind of like the longer one in between. It's the I guess you could say the 5th to last one. It's like the second longest one over there. So yeah, and then you can reset it so then it's back to normal and everything. So yeah, that's how you do that. So that is how you make it more speed. And then if you want to write something down, you see this T right over here that's under duplicate and right next to that volume speaker thing. If you go text, let's say if you want to do like this, let me see, maybe you want to do like a line title texture. That's like, no, not the texture, that's the font of it. You could press edit, and then you pretty much could add what you want to add it. Hold on. So yeah, let's say if you want to do that, you can say, hi guys. Hold on, let me hold my phone. As you see, I'm saying, hi guys, welcome back. So yeah, but you can also make it smaller, but then let's go ahead and press edit again. So then you can have on the bottom, and you can say, hello. So yeah, and also when you're done, you can make it smaller by touching it and moving it with your fingers. So you can do that and just move it with your fingers. So you see, you can move it. You can also move it to where you want around the screen by using your fingers, of course. But also, if you want to make it smaller, bigger, you have to use both of your fingers. And you know, you can use any fingers, but I recommend your thumb and your index finger for you to do that, because I find it the most easier. And then you can always, you know, change the texture. Well, I don't know why I'm saying texture, the font of it, if you like. So yeah, so that's how you do that. And then you can also change the color right over here. It's like that circle next to the AA in capital and lowercase, and then you could change the color to blue, white. For white, I feel like looks the most seeable right over here. We could always do these different colors. As you can see, I'm pressing like, there's the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I think those are all the colors in the rainbow. But yeah, you can change the color, of course. So yeah, I mean, let's go ahead. If you want to delete it, you have to press, you know, delete, and then it's gone. So that is how you could write something down. Also, let's say if you're adding an intro, you probably know that, but if you were to, like, you know, just add it, like if you were to add a video, you'll know it's right over there. So that's pretty much it. Oh my gosh, I forgot to delete this video. So I should go ahead and delete this one. Oh no, I'm still on the font one. You can get out the font. And then let's go ahead and press delete for that one, and just delete for that one. So of course, you already know that you can add different videos. You know how to undo it, which is that little arrow right next to that play button. Is that like kind of arrow that goes around the like sideways U and has the arrow. And you also know how to speed it now. You know how to add some audio. You know how to add some pictures, backgrounds. You know how to add some different fonts, different colors, and then of course the text. And well, the text, not text, like a story, like a text, like as letters. Also, of course, you could add numbers just for you guys to believe me. Let me go ahead and add a number for you guys to know. You see that number, of course, works as well. And then delete. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how you could do, well, the text, well, the letters, well, how you could write on your screen. Also, another thing that you might want to know is that if, let's say, I want to write something like this, and I edit and I say hi, you might know that it kind of goes away after a while when you put it, and then it's going to go away for a while, as you can see that. But a way that you can make it stay longer is by doing those 3 dots and putting on the bottom full clip duration, whatever how you say that, and now it's going to be lasting longer. As you can see, look, it's going to be lasting longer than it did before, and it's already lasting longer than it did before, and it's lasting for that whole video pretty much. So if you want to make it longer, remember it's the 3 dots, full clip duration, and then you can undo it however long you want it to be. So yeah, that is how you could do the text again for you to know, because I thought you might want to know that, because you might want it to be longer or something, and you might not have known how to do that, but hopefully now you do. So yeah, that's pretty much mostly all the things you need to know about the text. Well, if you were to write something on your photo or video, if you just wanted to write something, honestly. And pretty much those are the 4 things I think that you pretty much just need to know. There really isn't anything more important, I have to say. I mean, pretty much that was the most important things. Also, if you want to change like the filter, you could do different filters like these. I mean, they're all different filters, you might know these filters, I mean, from just like any app or anything. But then you can have the one back to normal. But yeah, that's pretty much the filters, if you want to know that. Those are the 3 circles, if you were wondering. Here are the text. Those are the volume things and speed thing, but since this is a photo, I cannot show you those, but I showed you the speed one. And here, you have the cancel and disable, and then you have enable and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things over there. If you're wondering if the plus thing, it's pretty much the plus thing is where I pretty much just showed you all, like, on the videos, movements, photos, albums, backgrounds, audio, camera, voiceover files, whatever. It's pretty much what I showed you most of them. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you have for the editing. But if, like, let's say you were to like save it and stuff, or if you were to like get out the app and you just press edit again if you want to finish, and of course you could delete it if you would like to delete project. And then here you could copy it, save video, do all those things. You can send people, or you can even just do this if you would like. But pretty much it's pretty much just like watching the video again. But right over here you see the save video. This is pretty much how you would add it to your photo library, and that's pretty much when you take a picture and you go to the app photos, it's there. So that is how you make this video be over there instead of just iMovie. So you would save the video. So let me actually show you me saving the video all the way. You want to wait the whole thing. Nothing could get on it. Like, you can't check your battery percent or anything. When it's over when it says the movie was exported to your photo library. And then pretty much right over here you see that the video is now over here. So yeah, I'm actually going to go ahead and delete that, because there is no point of, keeping it. So let me actually just go ahead and delete on this too. But yeah, that's pretty much, how you save it. And then you go on, YouTube, and you make a video, or you upload the video and everything's private. Whatever you do. But as long as you know that, because on iMovie you saved it, it's now in your photo library, you can do the YouTube video or whatever, and add it. So yeah, but yeah guys, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and turn the notification bell to all so you can never post. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I try my best so you guys can know how I edit my videos, and how you can also know how to edit yours now. So hopefully you know a little bit more about iMovie and how I usually edit my videos, for them to make it speed, or to have those texts that I write on the video sometimes, or just anything. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you ever used iMovie before for anything, or if you use iMovie, and if this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Bye.